Ramesh ji, so welcome, and I really thanks to everybody to this program. So we'll start with Ramesh ji only. So now this is maybe your, I think so, third Power Up Lungs program, correct? As I remember.
Yeah, yes, yes, sir.
So how is your experience for repeating third times, and what miracles bring to your life? So please just tell to all the public who are maybe people maybe who are seeing into our group or the YouTube wherever. I want, and please help them to really do this program, because what miracle happened into your life. So please just pick up about that one.
I started the lungs program in March. Within 3 months now, almost March, April, May. Within 3 months, I have stopped all my medicine, except in the night I'm taking that. That's also for a psychological reason, because I don't want to get up. Yeah. Otherwise, I used to take 3 times in a day, medicines. So morning, afternoon, night. Now it's only in the night now. That is also for, and that also I've cut down half. Night medicine also has been cut down by half now.
Wow. And how much weight you lost actually in the process?
I've lost about 5 kilos totally now.
Okay.
And like I told, I started playing badminton. After 45 minutes walk, I play for half an hour badminton. Previously, I used to never attempt badminton because it was a tough sport. So now I started playing badminton also. So
wow. So I just before and even the lung capacity test now, from where to where you moved actually?
I was below B previously. Now it has come to C.
C, okay. And when you're going to reach to D, that is our excellence. So what is your target?
That's my target. By next month, I should be able to reach to D.
Okay, very good. So congratulations and thank you for that one. And
sure.
And I just want to ask you one thing. Out of 10, how much you will be recommend this program to the people who have the lungs issues?
Anybody who's asthmatic should do this program.
Anybody want to lungs increase that one?
I was suffering from asthmatic for the last 25 years, sir.
Okay. So this small miracle happened in last 2.5, 3 months. Actually,
has happened within 3 months' time. This is
wow.
Absolutely. And I used to get up gasping for breath in the night at 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock, and then up to 5 o'clock, do something to get back the breath normal, take medicine, take pump, and all those things. I've done everything.
Wow, awesome. So itself is a miracle. And I just want to ask you a last question. What are all programs you've done in the last 2.5, 3 months exactly?
I did this lungs program. I did this 9 days detox program. I did this liver, kidney, lungs detox program, all combined together. Then again lungs. Last week I did a kidney detox program. Again I'm doing the lungs.
Wow.
I'm traveling next month onwards. I'm 2 months. I'm not here in India. So I said, let me do this program before I go. So that I'm
awesome. Very good. And what is your things about the spiritual diet, which we done for 21 days?
That was a fantastic experience. So that's 21 days experience was really amazing.
Okay, so guys,
people don't value something which is free. You give it to us free for 21 days. That was amazing journey. And your journal writing program is also very good, because then you connect with yourself. When you do that 15-minute journal writing, that you connect with yourself. I'm trying to keep up to that every day, but it's not, because traveling a lot, so may not be able to do it every day. But I'm trying to put down my thoughts in my journal.
First of all, I really want to thank you, and I want to really hats off your commitment. I know you are busy schedule traveling and all the challenges, even that all these things. And in that one, you've done all these programs with the religiously, and you are still going and doing. Still, before you go into the US, you really want to reach to the D. So all the best and congratulations, and thank you from the bottom of the heart. So thank you. Let's hope this video can inspire all the people. Hey guys, I'm Dr. Rakesh Deshpute here. Just see what people are see about our program, how the transformation happens in just a few days. So please watch the below link, and it will be transform your life. Just listening to them can be have the big impact on your life. Thank you very much. God bless you.